Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about the 2025 Bajaj Chetak Electric, the latest iteration of Bajaj's stylish and premium electric scooter. With improved range, new tech features, and a refined riding experience, can the Chetak Electric continue to be a top contender in the EV segment? Let's find out. Refined retro-modern design. The 2025 Chetak Electric continues to embrace its retro-inspired styling, but Bajaj has made subtle design improvements. The all-metal body retains its premium, sturdy feel, while the updated LED lighting, new alloy wheels, and refreshed color options add a modern touch. The scooter still maintains its classic silhouette, making it a head-turner in urban settings. More powerful motor and extended range. Bajaj has upgraded the electric motor, expected to produce around 4.5 kilowatts of peak power, improving acceleration and top speed. The new battery pack is likely to offer a range of 120 to 140 kilometers per charge, making it even more practical for daily commutes. The scooter supports fast charging, allowing 0 to 80% charge in under an hour, ensuring convenience for urban riders. Smart technology and features. The 2025 Chetak Electric now features a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, offering turn-by-turn navigation, call and SMS alerts, and ride analytics via a smartphone app. Bajaj has also added keyless ignition and a remote lock-unlock feature, enhancing security and ease of use. Comfort and ride quality. Built for urban comfort, the Chetak Electric offers a smoother suspension setup with telescopic front forks and a single rear shock absorber. The wide tubeless tires ensure better grip, while the disc brake with CBS combi braking system improves safety. The spacious seat and well-balanced chassis make it a comfortable ride for both the rider and pillion. Expected price and launch. With these upgrades, the 2025 Bajaj Chetak Electric is expected to be priced between 1.45 Indian rupees lakh to 1.60 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Bajaj is likely to launch it in early 2025, positioning it as a premium alternative to competitors like the Ola S1 Pro, TVS iQube, and Ather 450X. Would you choose the new Bajaj Chetak Electric for your daily rides? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more EV updates and reviews. Stay tuned.